A financial institution offers you a nominal rate of 6% compounded quarterly. What is the effective annual rate? So for part A, we're looking for the effective annual rate, which is a type of I2. So I effective, which, like I said, is a type of I2, which is 1 plus I1 to the power of N1, usually N1 over N2, but in this case, N2 is 1 year. So it's really N1 divided by 1 in this case. So we get 1 plus 0.06 divided by quarterly, the power of 4 over 1, which is just 4. And we get 0.061363551, and that's per year. And so that translates into 6.136% per year compounded annually. Okay. Now, one trick to knowing if your effective rate is close or correct is your original rate and your effective rate should be pretty close. So 6.1 and 6, those are pretty close. So your effective rate is probably pretty close to correct, if not actually correct. So we're looking now in part B for an equivalent rate where it's compounded monthly. So here we're looking for an I2, but monthly. So 1 plus I1 to the N1 over N2 minus 1. In this case, we've got 1 plus 0.06 over 4 to the power of 4 over 12. So when you plug this one into your calculator, we get 0.004975206. This is per month. So you notice that this is significantly different from my I2 up here, my I effective, because this is every year, this is every month. So we need to multiply this by 12 to get a per year rate. So this is 0.004975206 times 12, which is 0.059702475, which is 5.97% per year compounded monthly. And again, this equivalent rate, 5.97, is pretty close to what we started with our 6%. Now for part C, compare both options. 6% compounded quarterly versus 6.136 compounded annually. versus 5.97 compounded monthly. Which compounding method yields the most interest over 1 year? They'll all give you the same amount of interest over 1 year. So if you did a calculation that was $100 at 6% compounded quarterly for 4 quarters, or 6.136% compounded annually for 1 year, or 5.97% compounded monthly for 12 months, you would end up with the same future value. That's what makes these rates equivalent.